Chapter 6, Using Paint 3D. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to utilize various drawing tools to make drawings in Paint 3D. Differentiate between 2D and 3D shapes. Warm up. Draw a line to match the 3D objects to their 2D objects look-alikes. Teachers note: apprise students that 2D shapes are plane or flat shapes, whereas 3D shapes are solid figures that can be viewed from 3 directions: length, width, and height. Also show them real objects such as rubric cubes, balls, erasers, books, and many more. Hello friends, in this chapter let us learn about Paint 3D, a brand new and innovative drawing program. All previous versions of Windows came with basic Paint software from Microsoft. A Paint version, Paint 3D, is included in the latest version of Windows 10. It is a free application with the addition of creating and editing 3D images in a Paint program. The application is comprehensive yet easy to use. By merging 2D and 3D tools it aids us in producing creative projects that are both entertaining and professional. Anybody can use Paint 3D. Its user-friendly interface makes it simpler to edit already created 3D models and produce new ones. Starting Paint 3D app. Follow the given step to start the Paint 3D app. Steps 1. Click on the Start button. 2. You can choose the Paint 3D option from the menu or type Paint 3D in the search box. 3. The Paint 3D window will open. Let me answer. Look around and tell the 2D and 3D shapes present in your classroom. Paint 3D interface. The Paint 3D window has the following elements. 1. Menu. When you click on the expanded menu button, it opens a variety of list options such as New, Save, Save As, and many more to perform multiple functions. 2. Brushes. Brushes tool have different brush types which are used to draw lines in various styles. It can be used to paint both 2D and 3D surfaces. 3. 2D shapes. This option is used to draw 2D shapes. This tool has many ready-made shapes such as line, rectangles, stars, arrow, triangle, and many more. 4. 3D shapes. This option allows to draw 3D shapes such as cube, cuboid, cat, women, and many other 3D shapes. 5. Stickers. With this tool, we can select images from a ready-made images collection and apply them as stickers to our designs. The opacity of the chosen and applied can also be changed. 6. Text tool. This tool allows to add 2D text or 3D text options in the text tool. 7. 3D library. It is a collection of thousands of free 3D models divided into several categories. 8. Canvas. The canvas of the 3D paint window is the area where we can draw different drawings. Brushes in Paint 3D. In Paint 3D, brushes enable us to produce stunning and distinctive designs. When the Brushes tool is selected, 10 brush options appear in the right side panel. We can adjust or change thickness, opacity, material, and color of the brush. Step 1. Select a brush, click the left mouse button at the starting point, and then drag the mouse to create a line. Step 2. Use several brushes in various ways. Try out various options for colors and thickness. Drawing 2D shapes. We can design excellent shape with Paint 3D's extensive library of 2D shapes. It also helps to create precise shapes using the line and curve tools. Follow the given steps to draw 2D shapes in Paint 3D. Steps 1. Click on the 2D shapes option. 2. From the list of 2D shapes, select the square tool. 3. Place the mouse cursor on the canvas. 4. When the mouse pointer turns into a plus sign, drag it to make a square. 5. Fill the color to the square using the fill group option. Let me answer. Which all shapes are there in the 2D shapes library? Drawing 3D shapes. This 3D shapes library option contains basic 3D doodles, 3D objects and 3D models to start drawing. 3D doodle tool lets you to draw tabular, rounded and sharp edge shapes. 3D objects help you to select the predefined 3D shapes like cube, spheres and many more. 3D shapes panel contains 3D models like man, dogs and fish. Remember it. Search any 3D object by typing its name in the search box. Follow the given steps to draw 3D shapes in Paint 3D. Steps 1. Select the 3D shapes option. 2. Click on the tube tool from the given 3D shapes. 3. Place the mouse cursor on the canvas. 4. When the mouse pointer turns into a plus sign, drag it to draw a tube. 5. Fill the color in the tube using the edit color option. Opening a project. To open a previously saved file or project, click on the Open option in the Menu tab. Follow the given step to open a saved project. Steps 1. Click Expand menu button. 2. Click on the Open option. 3. The open window will display a list of saved projects. 4. Select the desired saved project from the list. 5. Click the Open buttons. Do you know? You can save your drawings by pressing Ctrl+S key options. Saving a project. Follow the given step to save a drawing in Paint 3D. Steps 1. Click Expand menu button. 2. Select the Save As option. 3. Type a name for your project. 4. Click the Save option. Kids IQ. In Paint 3D, Harshit created a science diagram. He is not able to draw a few pictures in it. Think about the options you can provide him to get them from the ready-made pictures gallery. Let's recall. Paint 3D is a free application with the addition of creating and editing 3D images in a Paint program. The Paint 3D window has elements like menu, brushes, 3D shapes, 2D shapes, stickers, text tool, 3D library and canvas. 3D shapes panel contains basic 3D doodles, 3D objects and 3D models to start drawing. In Paint 3D, brushes enable us to produce stunning and distinctive design. Text tool allows adding 2D or 3D text option in drawings. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. To open a saved project, click on the dash. Answer: menu. 2. The dash of the chosen and applied stickers can be changed. Answer: classification. 3. Dash tool has many ready-made shapes such as lines, rectangles and triangle. Answer: 2D shape. 4. Dash tool allows to add 2D or 3D text in the drawings. Answer: text tool. 5. Dash is the area where we can draw different drawings. Answer: 3D paint window. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Paint 3D? Answer: Paint 3D is a free application with the addition of creating and editing 3D images in a Paint program. 2. Name the different elements of the Paint 3D window. Answer: the Paint 3D window has elements like menu, brushes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, stickers, text tool, 3D library and canvas. 3. What is the use of stickers in Paint 3D? Answer: with this tool we can select images from a ready-made image collection and apply them as stickers to our designs. 4. Write the step to start Paint 3D. Answer: step to start the Paint 3D app. Steps: 1. Click on the Start button. 2. You can choose the Paint 3D option from the menu or type Paint 3D in the search box. 3. The Paint 3D window will open. 5. What does the 3D library contain? Answer: it is a collection of thousands of free 3D models divided into several categories. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. 1. Paint 3D is a paid application. Answer: false. 2. Brushes tool has different brush types. Answer: true. 3. The menu tab contains various options such as new, save, save as and many more. Answer: true. 4. 2D shape option is used to draw a circle, star and rectangle. Answer: false. 5. To draw a 3D shape, the mouse pointer turns into a plus sign. Answer: true. D. Match the following. Match 1 2D shapes with B. Match 2 3D shapes with D. Match 3 brushes with A. Match 4 text with C. E. Identify and name the components of the 3D paint window. Answer: do it yourself. Critical thinking. A. Look at the shapes and segregate them in the columns below. Answer: do it yourself. B. Anushka has created a 3D drawing in Paint 3D. She does not know how to save the drawing she has made. Suggest the option to her to fulfill the task. Answer: steps to save a drawing in Paint 3D. Steps: 1. Click Expand menu button. 2. Select the Save As option. 3. Type a name for your project. 4. Click the Save option. Team work. Pair up with your partners. Draw a Christmas tree in Paint 3D using different 3D shapes. Answer: do it yourself.